Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. I have a what I eat in a week vlog style kind of video. So in this video, I don't really show like me making the meals and stuff like that every single day. I wasn't able to vlog a lot of it, especially because I had like school and all of that. So I do have a bunch of like pictures of what I eat and stuff, so you guys can still have an idea of that. And then I do have some short snippets of me making my meals and whatnot. But I will have all of my recipes down below for you guys as well, so if you want to try out anything that I made, it will be there for you. Besides that, again, I'm gonna have to disclaim this because I basically was doing Chloe Ting's 2-week shred challenge, which video will be out very soon on my results and just the whole entire progress of all of that. But basically, I was just kind of trying to eat a little bit more lean, just to see my results with that and just to see how much it really plays into it. So these are more lean meals and just a little bit healthier, and I kind of just portioned a little bit more. Disclaimer, I am not a nutritionist, a health specialist, or anything like that. I just eat whatever makes me feel comfortable, whatever I see is working for me, so hopefully it will work out for you as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't want to keep on rambling, but if you guys are interested in what I ate for the week and what I basically eat every single day to lose weight and maintain my weight, then definitely keep on watching. So for a quick, easy lunch, I have tuna that was in a can, avocado and tomatoes and red onions, and I just mixed that into a bowl. But when I do have a little bit of a cheat, I have like a side dish like this. I have crab rangoon, hot dogs, and watermelon and pepper, and that's what I eat. This week I decided to meal prep a little bit because I did start school and I wanted to just have something ready and basically cooked for when I don't have time after doing homework and whatnot. So I just took some tilapia, these are the frozen ones, and I just defrosted them and then just put it in a bowl and put a bunch of seasoning with it. I'll list the seasonings here for you guys. And then for my toppings, I actually just did red onion, some lemon zest and some lemon slices and tomato, and then I just basically put all of that onto a pan and I'm gonna go ahead and bake it all. And then for my sides, I did roasted vegetables, which you'll see me cutting up some sweet potato and some broccoli, and then I basically just put some seasoning on that as well and put some olive oil with it and just bake that. And I just like to store this and just eat it throughout the week when I don't have time to really make a meal. And there you have it. That's how it looks like, and it's really delicious. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. So today I'm a little done up because I have some meetings to attend, but I have my breakfast here. So I just have 2 hard-boiled eggs, and then I just put salt, pepper, and a little bit of paprika. I did go a little bit heavier on the paprika, so I might just have to wipe some of it off. But other than that, I'm just gonna eat this real quick. And then I have my water here. Sometimes I do drink coffee, but this morning I decided not to. And I usually still do like regular creamer and milk and stuff like that with my coffee, because I just like my coffee a certain way and I don't do that any healthier than it comes. So that's one of the things that I still cheat on for like my meals and stuff like that, because I just, like I said, like my coffee that way, but I still see that my body is still able to adapt to it and change with all the other foods that I eat. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do these meetings and eat my breakfast. So like I said, I just got done with my meeting, and I do have some days that I want coffee, and I said I wasn't gonna drink any, but I ended up getting some. So all I did was put a little bit of caramel, and then I did a K-cup and just regular, it wasn't decaf or anything like that. And then I added some hazelnut creamer. So that is my little cheat drink that I usually drink daily. And then for lunch, I just had the meal prep that I made last night. I don't always have a snack. I only do when I'm really hungry. And today I had almonds and walnuts. So I wanted to show you guys how I make my coffee. So like I said, I just do the K-cup and I just let that run. And then once that coffee is done, I just add some caramel. This is the one that we have. I basically just use whatever. And then for my creamer, I put in some hazelnut creamer. Again, I just use whatever we have at the time. My favorite is the caramel macchiato, of course. And then I just stir that up. Sometimes I do add some sugar depending on how I feel on that day. Moving on to breakfast for this morning, I have some cherry tomatoes. I'm going to cut that up and then I'm going to mix it in with some hard-boiled eggs, which I also cut up. And I also add some bacon crumble and a little bit of sriracha and just eat that as is. Today's lunch, I just have some chicken that I cooked up on the stove, and then some green beans, a little bit of cucumber and pepper, and that's pretty much it. And then Thursday was actually my nephew's birthday as well, so I did eat a cupcake, but the one without the chocolate, of course. On Thursday, I just had the same dinner that I had for the meal prep, so I didn't take a picture of that. But for Friday's lunch, I have some chicken, cauliflower rice, a little bit of a pasta dish, and some eggs. And then for snack, you can enjoy me biting into an apple trying to look cute. And then for dinner, I just had these sliders. This was a little bit of a cheat meal for me. And then I just had a little bit of kimchi as a veggie on the side with some honey mustard. Then we had a movie night and I had some candy, of course. I didn't feel like getting really fancy with my breakfast on Saturday morning because on weekends I kind of cheat a little bit. So I just had leftover grilled food that we had and one slider. For dinner, I had a pork chop, rice, and some veggies on the side, and I also drank some wine, and we had a little dinner outside to enjoy this weather while we can. And then I ended the week with some homemade pho because I wasn't feeling too great, and this definitely helped with that. Alright you guys, that completes the video. If you guys liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, I'm wearing a Packers jersey because the season just started today and we actually won. So let me know if you guys are watching football too. Besides that, if you guys like these kind of videos, definitely let me know. I can keep on making them for you. And if you guys want more tips on how I continue to stay strict like on my diet and stuff like that, definitely let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye.